So this is a sugar cane.
Okay.
We say in Sindhi gane jo juice.
We are putting gana in the machine and take juice from the
Machine.
sugar cane.
Okay.
And we are har vajing. 1 bar vajing, 3 bar vajing, 4 bar vajing.
Okay.
Until tabah kar chadina thi, po kar chadina thi. Bike ta kharab nahi thi bhaiya, start hi kon the.
तो ये भाव क्या था यार गोलगप्पा खा रही था गोलगप्पा भाव के बुदाई सा बेसिकली इट इज अ गोलगप्पा
when we
break
Okay.
we break
this
and then put
the water
some chola aloo chola and then we put into the water
Okay.
take then we eat
Okay.
so अदा घड़े आवा था चा एकड़ी प्लेट था
एक प्लेट दे बनाए
एकड़ी प्लेट था मिनट कर तो गोलगप्पा is a very famous thing in Pakistan.
Okay.
Especially in Islamabad. What we do in Golgappa,
when we
break front.
When we eat Golgappa and the pani is drop up from everywhere, pani.
Okay.
Pani. So we break Golgappa from front,
Okay.
top.
Yeah.
We break Golgappa from top. Then we put some chola. Chola. Then batalu. Batalu is tomato. Potato. So potato and we also put some limo
and
lemon.
Okay.
Lemon and what we do then there is a water. Water is not normal water.
Okay.
But water is like खट्टे के छाते नाम
sour, little bit sour खट्टा गोलगप्पा खराई याद है चीज बाकी
गोलगप्पा खराई ना थी हाँ गोलगप्पो that when we break into the water
अच्छा खणी जे तो पोलिस
we take some water in the golgappa
Okay.
and then we eat जल्दी कर गोलगप्पा खाई
जल्दी करो उस्ताद गर्मी आए थे
हाँ so this guy is a foreigner guy. He has come from Germany and he said that I want to try
this
golgappa.
Okay.
So please make immediately.
थोड़ा बात चंगड़ो कर ठाया जाना मेहमान बाहर स्पेशल मेहमान सुठो कर ठाया
Golgappa is a kind of a street thing.
Okay.
Street food, yeah.
Okay.
Normally, most of the time, people used to have in their childhood
Okay.
up to the adulthood.
असां चाइल्डहुड में आए हो असां वड़ा दिया
Yeah. In terms of majority, it's a people's favorite thing in
Okay.
Pakistan. We are the Golgappa chia.
Okay.
So you can see some chola and
Okay.
some batalu
Okay.
are inside. So
Yeah,
there is a water.
Yeah. Okay. I see.
So just
this is not
like
normal
this.
water
Okay.
they have and a lot of other things
Okay.
ingredients
I see.
make the water special
Okay. Okay.
for Golgappa.
Yeah, okay.
Now you
Don't
try.
spice you know, but you can try.
Spicy?
Little bit.
No, I
little
don't
bit.
like spicy. Sorry.
No, little bit.
But
Just
I
try.
think I don't want to try right now if it's okay.
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 Because
It's fine. It's fine.
sweet food is.
Okay.
I'm scared that
No.
I will vomit on the
Okay.
bus.
Your
I'm
stomach
sorry.
might not be adjust to these kind of food.
Okay.
तो
Yeah, I'm not
completely
really
understand.
पेट खराब थी तो मोशन थी ना मैं गोट की वेंदम
हाँ मोशन थी दादा तू खा
हां
I'm sorry because
Okay,
I
no,
never
fine.
eat spicy
No,
food.
no.
It's fine, completely fine.
इसे तो थोड़ो बुधाई दे ना तो मेरे हल्को फुल्को है स्पाइसी नॉर्मल
घणो बाल गयो
पानी वहे जब तो जहां ज्यादा के करे
He's actually laughing. He don't like spicy food.
या
So he thought that his stomach might get upset.
जब मुझे लूज मोशन दिया तो मैं
so-
भी मुझे गोट
And I have 18-hour bus ride, so.
Yeah, 18 He said that further he has a 18-hour bus ride. So
Ah.
he don't want to try such things which affect his stomach.
ओके बस हां छडियो सामने था काम खाए नहीं पाण
Huh?
पैसा अंग्रेज का वठूं बड़ा क्यों तो डे दो कर देना जा मारी देता असल में असां जी जगह बाइक जगह ना अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा
अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
जल्दी कर स्टार्ट कर यार
अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
यार नहीं आओ बाहर आया हुआ नहीं खबर पड़ी नहीं तो पाकिस्तान सच में के जुगाड़ी न लाया
What happened to your bike?
nothing happened our
Nothing
bike
happened. It is just not starting.
Okay.
I think
our bike is running in
masala.
good but in Islamabad weather is not good frequently is running and that's why engine is thadi thi gaya sorry it's before it start it's take a little bit dikko after they start he will never stop
Okay.
Never stop. Yeah. So we
start कर यार हां
अभी start हो जाएगा.
असल में असां जी बाइक जेका है ना उहा बारिश
अभी
थी थधि जे
start-
करे इंजन थी थधी दबा तो हाणे थोरो धिको बिको वठंदी
अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, अभी स्टार्ट हो जाएगा।
कॾहिं स्टार्ट कंदे यार वो भाऊ परेशान
How much time is it gonna take?
बस
It's gonna take 2 minutes.
Okay.
I'm trying to start it.
हला बस अब दुआ कयो असांजी बाइक स्टार्ट थी वञे
वाह कयो, न त नथा
त
गॾु
हे
जेको आहे
भाऊ
सो
वीचारो
मिस्त्री ॾे हलंदासीं हींअर। We will go to मिस्त्री।
आ गया मिस्त्री आ गया
We will go to Mistri. Bike is not working, and we will fix it. Then we will head to other places in Islamabad.
त हींअर असांखे अध में न भॼी वञे चवंदा अलाए हिकिड़ी बेकार बाइक खणी आया हाणे मूंखे ज़लील कंदा
बाइक भली आहे असांजी, बाइक भली आहे, पर थोरो ख़राबु थी वई आहे। हींअर स्टार्ट कयूं असां मिस्त्री वटि ठाराए हिन सां गॾु भाऊ मिस्त्री ते कुर्सी ते विहारींदासीं हुते